How to cook dried beans perfectly with 3 secrets. Choose your desired beans and add it into a glass bowl. Add the water to the bowl to fill 2 inches above the dried beans. Add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Secret number 1. Baking soda tenderizes the beans and makes it cook faster. Leave the soaking beans at least 6 hours. After 6 hours, wash the beans and drain with the coriander. On a medium-high heat, add the beans into a large pot and fill it with fresh water 2 inches or 5 centimeters above the beans. Close the lid and bring it to boil. When boiling, a foam will form on the top. Take the foam out. These are the released gases from the beans. Add 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder into the beans and mix. This is secret number 2. Cumin powder helps eliminate the gases in the beans. Close the lid and simmer for 30 to 40 minutes, depending on the size of the beans or its desired softness. After 40 minutes, turn off the heat and keep the lid closed for at least 3 hours if possible. And this is secret number 3. Leaving the lid closed after it's done allows the bean starch to be released in its water. If the recipe does not use the beans water, then omit the last step.